the judge who will make your question is Judge number 9, Mr. Glenn White.
Good evening. Hi.
Good evening. Actually, more than nervous, I'm very grateful because I've seen the people of my love united to support me.
Alright. My question is, what underrated local tourist destination do you think deserves attention and how would you promote it?
Thank you. The Agraswan Fashion Monument in Caloocan City for me deserves so much more attention. More than just a monument, it's a powerful symbol of courage, resilience, and fight for freedom. And to promote it, I would like to highlight its significant story in connection to the Philippine independence. Through interactive storytelling, we can promote our past, ignite the present, and empower future generations where they can preserve, love, and know our rich history and our beautiful city. Wow, that is about just your envelope. And your judge is Miss Allison Yee. Good evening, gorgeous. Hi, good evening, Miss Allison. My question for you is, currently, there are 7 Facebook reactions, namely like, love, care, laugh, sad, wow, and angry. If you could have one more reaction, what would it be and why? For me, another Facebook reaction that can be added is all about kindness. Throughout my life, I have discovered the remarkable impact of kindness through my involvement in community service. Each act of kindness transcends mere gesture. It represents the strong will and dedication to improving yourself. And with this dedication, we can uncover our greatest hope for a brighter future for all. That is why I am here ready to serve my community using the beauty inside me. Thank you. What a lovely answer.
Thank you so much.
And you will be asked by Mr. Carl Fidel.
Here's your question. If you could create a new holiday, what it would be and how it would be celebrated?
I think if I could create a new holiday, I would call it Gratitude Day. Because nowadays, we often natin salamat sa ating tao sa paligid natin. And I would celebrate it with the people around me, with my family, with my professors who help me here. And
Weird na tao.